Yeah. All right, so we're gonna lighten things up a little bit with this next clip, man. Let go.
Baby, let's go, baby.
Oh my gosh, you're here!
Come on,
Give me a
baby.
kiss. I
Okay.
need energy.
Come
Okay.
on now.
Okay.
Come on now.
Oh my gosh, where did you stop?
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on now.
Oh gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna catch you on that side.
Ow.
Bye.
Hey, W husband, W wife, man. That's dope. It says chasing your wife in a 10K race. It looked like she was done. And the fact that she's seen her husband and got some energy from a kid, that's fire, man. This is how relationships are supposed to be. Listen, I'm in no way saying that relationships are easy, but anytime you see stuff like this, man, I'm pretty sure it's out there giving a lot of people hope that either are single or are in a tough situation with their partner, man. You got to be able to look at the good times. You know what I mean? And if you got a person that loves you, a person that supports you, a person that looks out for you and wants the best for you, and they out there chasing your butt while you doing a mother loving 10K. Listen, I did a 5K. What is it, last year? Did a 5K last year, and I was done. So the fact that you got somebody that's chasing after you doing a 10K, it says a lot. I promise you right now, I'm gonna try to meet you. I'm gonna try my best to catch up with 10K. That's a lot. That's a lot, man. But no, that's this was dope, man. See that young lady? She said, "Give me a kiss. I need some energy." Smooches, man. They done probably been together for a little minute. Anytime you have anybody, a partner that works out, man, I don't know why, but it just seems like it makes the relationship that much better. Y'all got something in common that's going to help benefit you in the long run. Both of y'all are you know, looking or striving to be better versions of yourselves. And you're doing it with a smile on your face. That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Let me watch it.
Baby,
Baby.
let's go, baby.
Oh my gosh, you're here!
Come on,
Give me a
baby.
kiss. I need
Okay.
energy.
Come
Okay.
on now.
Like a couple of. She said,
Come on now.
a couple of.
Oh my gosh, where did you stop?
Hey, shout out to the husband too, man.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on now.
Look at him, look at
Okay, I'm gonna catch you on that side.
Ow.
Bye.
Hey man, you love to freaking see it. I love it, man. They can say what they want to say. I believe, regardless of what people be trying to push out in the media, man, women out there, wives out there are honestly living their best lives because they understood. They understand that regardless of what people say about, having these gender wars and everything, hey, we good over here. I love my husband. My husband loves me. And the husband, I love my wife loves me. Bro, nobody can come in between of what we got going on right here. Say what you want to say. Your problems and your troubles are your troubles. We good. We are good. It's always better together. I don't care what anybody says, man. I will always advocate for relationships. I'm gonna always advocate for men and women to be together and grow together because that's what life is all about, man. I'm telling you, it's a lot better. Regardless of what them single people out there are telling y'all, I promise you, when they go home at night, most of the time they wish they had somebody that was in their corner that rock with them the way that these two rock with each other. I'm telling you. Y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments about that though, man. That's a beautiful thing. I love it. I love it. Yes, indeed. We got to switch the content up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? A little back and forth. But yeah, I love to see stuff like that. I'm actually glad that I pulled that clip up too.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.